So anything we get Velar, we sell straight away. This is an incredible example just arrived. D240, so 2 litre, 240 brake horsepower, 4-wheel drive, Velar, HSE, Dynamic in Firenze Red with a lovely ivory interior. Being an HSE, it's fully loaded. It has key features on this, like sliding roof, heated and cooled massage seat, factory deployable Towbar, 20-inch wheels. The car is incredible. If you're looking for a Velar, you want one that's been looked after properly. This is that. It's got a full Land Rover service history. It's in a wonderful order throughout. The previous keeper has looked after it, and that is really important. Our Dynamic gives it the wonderful body styling throughout. It gives it the matrix LED lights with a daytime driving light. It's just a wonderful car. 360 camera is another option. You'll see the styling on this car. You've got the sort of darkened chrome badges, grille, bottom section to the bumper, the copper accents into the bumper for the aerodynamic and the bonnet. So lovely features that people always love. The wheels, big feature on this car. The tyres are all brand new as well, by the way, on this vehicle. Multi-spoke 20-inch wheels in satin, which are lovely. You'll see that burnished rose gold accent again through the wing and into the driver and passenger doors. The Velar door handles again, keyless entry on this car. Little button on there. Lovely handles folding flush into the car. Black roof. Roof rails as an option with that sliding glass roof as well. The Velar is the same size or wheelbase as a Range Rover Sport with just that coupe styling. You'll notice we've got a gloss black roof, gloss black finisher across the back, and being an HSE, we've got assisted tailgate, we've got privacy glass, we've got a wonderful boot capacity, but then we've got this factory deployable tow bar, switchable in the boot. Another wonderful feature of this car is very rare. It's got air suspension. Again, Velars don't always come with it. Switchable in the back, we have air suspension. So as well as the tow bar, as well as the HSE spec, we've got the air suspension, we've got the heated and cooled seats, we've got massage seats, we've got Meridian surround sound stereo. Then we've got this wonderful ivory interior. It's just a stunning car, complementing the exterior colour so well, the Firenze Red. That ivory interior is wonderful. Now, if you don't know about Velars, pretty much nothing comes as standard, right? This one's got Meridian surround sound stereo. The seats are fully 20-way electric seats with driver and passenger memory. All your functions for the seats are down here. Being an HSE, we've got heated and cooled seats. It's a different design to these seats as well. You'll see the indentations in the seat. They're an upgrade. The winds are leather. Then the steering wheel is two-tone. It's a dynamic steering wheel because we're in an aerodynamic car. That's upgraded. So is the digital dashboard behind the steering wheel. Fabulous options to make this car a brilliant buy. It's exceptional value for money. It's done 43,000 miles. Like I say, it's got a full Land Rover service history. So we've got the full switchable infotainment system behind my steering wheel. On the steering wheel, we've got ceramic controls, adaptive cruise control and heated steering wheel. Full switchable Bluetooth voice control off the left hand side of the steering wheel. And then another big feature of this car, we've got the 360 camera system, so top view camera and reversing camera. We've even got a towing camera that comes alongside the tow bar. We've got smartphone interface, so if you plug your phone into the car, you've got Apple and Android CarPlay with in-control applications. There's your tow bar situation. If we go into the vehicle settings, here's your air suspension switches here. Raise the vehicle, lower the vehicle. That is a massive feature on this car. Different drive modes from dynamic down to snow, grass, gravel mode. Heated screens to the front and the rear. Automatic gearbox. Finishes are exceptional. Opening sunroof. The best sound system. It's got everything. Included the heated and cooled seats with massage function for driver and passenger as well. If you're looking for an exceptional specified car with the right history in a great condition, for a great price, and this Velar is it. It's 240 horsepower, so it's got the power and the punch to go with that four-wheel drive system. It's lovely. It's on the website now. Ring me my number on the screen. My name's Richard. I would love to speak to you. Thanks for watching.